Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a sound from your phone's gallery on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then hit at that icon next to a record button and select camera roll. Now you are able to select any photo from your phone's gallery. I'm just gonna pick that one. Then hit right here at pencil icon and then tap at music icon. Then hit at my favorites. Then select My Sounds and hit where it says Create Sound. Then you can select Upload from Camera Roll or a Record Sound. I'm just gonna hit at Upload from Camera Roll. And then just select a video that includes audio that you want to save. Let it be that one. Then you can trim it from the start and from the end in that simple way. Also, you can enable Make this sound public switcher to make this sound public if you want. Then you can name this sound and hit Add Save Sound. After that, you will be able to use that sound whenever you want on your snaps. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.